I will give a complete solution to the model question of the second exam of computer class 7 according to the new curriculum 2082. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. I will move on the today's topic. So let's start. So second exam half year's examination subject computer grade 7 time 2 hours. Then group A choose the correct answer for the following question. This is 1. The computer processing data according to the given. 2. Given. Then instructor. 2. Why is the father of computer? B. Charles Babbage. Was developed by Chinese and empathy according 300 BC. Then abacus. 4. Which computer can perform the function of both analog and digital? Arbit. 5. Computer is designed for the desktop work. Mini computer, desktop computer. Which of the following is the input device? This keyboard. 7. Which device is now as the pointing input device? Mouse. Which of the following is multi-user operating system? Linux. Ctrl+C is used for copy. Which icon keeps the delete file or folder of hand disks for further restore? Recycle bin. Then group B give short answer for the following question. June 7 into 4 बराबर 28. 28. Write any 4 characteristics of computer by June spread, active, automatic storage. 4 भनेर यहाँ दिएको छ है यसरी दिस एक्सप्लेन भने भिडियोलाई रोकेर सारेर पढ्नु होला भित्रको व्याख्या गरेको चीज 12 What is GIGO? Write its full form. GIGO stands for garbage in garbage out. It meaning that you input incorrect, poor or meaningless data into a computer, the output will also be incorrect or meaningless. Computer can only processing the data given to them. They cannot think or the correctness of the data. GIGO. This full form garbage in garbage out. Who is now as the first computer programmer? Lady August Lovelace is now as the first computer programmer. She write the computer. They write the first algorithm for Charles Babbage analysis engine. 14. Which computer can be used when there is no regular electricity keep reason? Laptop, notebook, mobile computer can be used where there is no regular electricity because they have a bullet in rechargeable battery that allows them to operate without direct power supplies. Then 15. What is computer hardware? Give any two example. Hardware refer to the physically component of a computer that you can see and touch. These are the parts that make up the computer system and help perform. This example for monitor keyboard. The screen used to display information. Keyboard, an input device used to enter data into the computer. 16. What are output device? Write each type with example. Output devices are computer hardware components that takes process data for the computer are present it to the user each of whom that is understandable or usable. They help users share or get a physical copy of the information generated by the computer. There are several types of the output device. Visually, output device display information on a screen such as monitor and projector. Audio output device produce sound like speaker and headphone. Hard copy output device provides a physical copy of the data such as a print and folders. These devices are isolated because they always humans to interact with and make use of the information processed by computer. Then write the full form of the following: CPU Central Processing Unit, RAM Random Access Memory. This next question. Group C give long answer for the following. 2 into 6 बराबर 12. Write any 6 features of word processing. MSO. It always you to type and edit document later, reports, browse, etc. It always you to format document according to the required format, font, type, size and styles. It always you to copy and move the text easily from one location to another. It always you to search and search any word or quickly press quickly. It always you to insert picture, object, graphics, table and modify themes. It always you to format page in description. It always you to print document in necessary format. This next question. Draw a picture of computer and name 3 parts of the computer. These 4 parts: keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor. This यहाँ चित्र दिएको छ, त्यो चित्रानुसार चारवटा भागहरूको नाम छुट्याउने है. Is this way? According to the new curriculum 2082, I have completed the complete solution of the model question of the second exam of computer of class 7. Please watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I will like to leave you with this video today. Thank you. Jai Nepal.